In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Myki card on Melbourne. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a Myki card on Melbourne is extremely simple. First, I recommend that you visit the Public Transport Victoria website before you actually acquire a Myki card and start using it for public transport on Melbourne. You can go to ptv.vic.gov.au. Alternatively, look for the Public Transport Victoria website on Google. In here, you have all the information necessary for you to buy and start using a Myki card. As you can see on this website, besides all the useful links that they have this search function on the home screen where you can look through destinations. So I highly recommend that if you are planning ahead, maybe because of travel or you are going to be using one specific line very often, you can visit the website and browse through all the departure times, all the available lines, and use your location to see this. Everything will be available to you in great detail and you can see this at any time. They have all the dates, all the departure times, and different regions. You can plan your journey from this page, and this is a feature that I would like to highlight. Now, once you are done exploring this, what you have to do is acquire a Myki card in person. Because of the way that I'm recording this video, unfortunately, I cannot show you this process. I'm only going to be talking about the Public Transport Victoria website, but at the bottom, you will find the option of buying a Myki card. Like I said, you are going to be doing this in person, so click read more and you can acquire information on the types of Myki card and where to buy it. But as you can see, they have 4 different types on the time that I'm recording this video: full fare, concession, child, and senior. All of these have their own perks, so make sure to read them and see which one is available for you. You also have the option to buy it online, but for the most part, it should be recommended to find the nearest place to buy a Myki. Explore whichever option is best for you and choose between the options here. Afterwards, you are going to have to register your Myki card, so click Yes, Register, or find the option over here on the menu at the top. As long as you are able to sign into your Myki account using your first and last name, date of birth, and mobile number, you can input the Myki holder details and confirm and register the card. Everything is always going to be available from the website, and after you are done buying and registering the card, make sure it's topped up with balance, and to use the card, simply press it against the card reader when you are ready to use any sort of public transport that accepts the Myki card. If you have enough balance, as soon as you place the card near the card reader, you are going to be approved and ready to board. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Myki card on Melbourne. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.